Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is a really windy day and I'm gonna be testing out my drones to see if they could handle this wind. So let's go try them out. Alright guys, that is it for today. It's really windy out here. I already ran out of batteries, but the drones were able to handle the wind just fine. The Inspire 2 did give me some warnings that it was way too windy and I should land the drone, but other than that I think it was gonna be alright. The FPV drone around the buildings, I could see that the wind was kind of pushing me to the side, and then when I was flying near objects it was getting me way too close to the objects. But other than that I was able to get my drones back. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you guys give it a like, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.